YouTubers. We're going to take a look at and I did a previous recording, but I noticed that the audio was missing. Somehow my mic, it was off or something. So now this is what's happening. So KiCad release on December 25th, 2021, version 6. And this is some of the things they improve. Most basic complex designs, so it looks like this says verify your design with integrated space similar and electrical rules checker. The PC layout says approaching up to make sure the PCB is easy and powerful in complex modern designs, improve interactive router, improve visualization and selection of tools, make it easier than ever. And then it looks like the 3D also improve. Fading ray tracer with optimized lighting to create realistic images show your work. So that looks like, and it's going to take a while, so you pick one. I already downloaded, so I don't have to install it, and this is what it looks like. KiCad 6, it has a blue icon now. It looks like this now. This, the interface, it has like a more like a 3D view feel, and also they have this wait a minute. I was doing something yesterday. I changed the language, so it automatically changed it to, I guess it downloaded the package in the background and install it. So now it's changing from English to Spanish. So I see some improvements here. I see now here they have refresh on the preferences, manage symbol libraries, footprint libraries. So they have these menus here. Keys didn't change. Now they have a donate. I do notice that the library extension is different. The library went file, new project. I did project from template. I had some user templates I made that is still the same. I had a message. Let's do this one. Let's do KiCad 6. Let's see what happens. That one there, it comes up on my files there. Let's see schematic. It preserved my template there, so it looks like it'll be okay. Let's do an import non-KiCad schematic. Let's see, I have something. Let's do the CNC. Let's do this one and see what happens. Oh, okay, pretty good. All right, let's save it. File save. It's very fast importing. It didn't take that long. It's very quick. Let's save that. They PCB from schematic. Let's see what happens. I don't see the button for they used to have a button here for load, make netlist. They don't have that anymore, so it looks like you have to do schematic. That's something they change. And not big deal, but they don't exist. Some of the 3 errors. Okay, that's fine as long as it catches the errors. Okay, so I'm expecting to see nothing here. This file was creating older version. It will convert to new format when saved. That's fine. Okay, here's a new look for copper. Copper looks different. Okay, I just want to try the import to see what happens. So as far as let's see. So the footprint is looking for this, but it doesn't find it. That's fine. Say connector. EE connector. Let's see. Molex. Let's say save it there. All this. Okay, let's see what. Okay, so now. Not sure. And symbol. Oh, new library. There is library here. EE now. See. Let's see what else we have here. 1, 3 left. Very cool. Okay, let's do that one. And tools. Update PCB from schematic. Expecting to see at least 53 errors. It's taking a little bit longer, but okay, so I got one. Alright, so I know how to fix that. I got something on. And what else? Okay, so I can deal with this later. So now let's keep looking, save. Let's look at our interface, save. The file open. Project. Let's see, previous one I made one yesterday and the audio wasn't there, so let's do this. That one. So make a schematic series Now you go tools, switch to PCB editor. Over here, they have a little bit, some of this change. The designators, the symbol. Oh, create and delete symbols. Browse library. So this looks a little bit different, but highlight wire and pit nets. See what that does. Oh, highlight. Oh. I change the color. That's okay. They have text, picture. Okay, save that and let's go to our. So they don't have the button anymore to create netlist. They have now update PCB from schematic, and they have a shortcut too. They close. I do notice they have more shapes here now. So the square, rectangle, you can do it now directly. So you don't have to do it with the polyline. What else? They got dimensions. Different measure dimension here. The tool also looks a little bit different. So like a ruler now there. Okay, scale, let's put that in inches. There. And let's see here. Here. As far as the usage, it looks the same as before. Bottom, select copper layer pair. Back, okay. One layer. I'm not sure this. Just to go back to schema, PCB, by the later. Okay. Keep out. The fill zones, they have a unique symbol. That's pretty good. Let's see the design rules here. Yes. So they have the physical layer. See, I changed the color. You can pick the material here. Impedance control. I selected white and black. Pour finish. Yes, bevel. So I guess immersion. Let's do that one. Okay, units. Okay. Let me look at mils. They have inches, mils, and millimeters. Also the units. I'm used to mils. Oh, that's something. I'm not sure if I like that. When I change here, it changed the unit there. They should stay on the unit they measure. That's something that I don't like. It's supposed to stay in the. I mean, I make the measurement I don't see the reason why when I press here it changes the measurement over there. Courtyard variables. Oh, look at this. This looks nice. Minimum clearance. I guess it is say 6 on 6 millimeters. I say minimum trash width. Annual minimum via diameter. I think the minimum for horsepower is 10. So this is something you gotta get from your board house. And but they have a nice interface now. Copper from the edge clearance. I think for horsepower is 15. Copper to hole clearance. Hole to the current 10. I guess they improved on this area a lot. And let's see. Rules, predefined sizes. I make it 2040. Custom rules. Let's see what's this. String types. Rule. So they allow you to put code now for rules. That can come. This could come handy, I guess. We'll find out a use for this. Let's see. Rule keep out. A inside area zone 3. Let's copy. Can I copy and paste? Copy. Oh yeah, you can do copy and paste. Let's see that. Zone. I'm not sure there's a loud truck here, so keep out. I guess I can use something like that for copper. Okay, let's leave that. Maybe I can predefine the classes, custom rules, the violation severity items, clearance violation errors. So they put more. They put tons of violation error. Okay. Not changing that. You put now like that. Now let's see the code. How can I use that? So this clearance, thermal relief, spoke, remove islands always. That's if you get like pieces of copper. Owner mother chamfer, fillet chamfer. Let's see what the default is. Go back none. You can pick. Let's see chamfer. Okay. Let's pick. For now, let's see what happens there. Okay, so I put in inches, the measurement changes. I don't like that. Well, I could put some silk screen. See what happens. Put it this. Save it. Let's look at our 3D viewer. Okay. This is. Let's with that. See what else. Let's put a silk screen on the bottom. Silk screen. It also has a different icon. That's okay. I guess you gotta get used to it. Flip. Okay. Let's put it at a 90. Let's see. Okay. Save that. This doesn't tell you if you made a change or something. It used to be highlighted. So then you click and save. That also changed. What else? Clear resolution. They got other things here. Let's see what else. External plugins. Let's see the I like that plugin. I installed several plugins, and the plugins you get it, they're over here on this window here. Click here, plugins. I installed several of them. See what happens. All of this. Now it says uninstall. I installed all of it. Whatever came in there, I installed. I want to play with it. And here, I install a couple of them. Black and white. Let's start that one. For printing, I think it's pretty good for black and white. And don't use color, I guess. And then it connects and it brings it in, which is nice. I guess if people develop other scripts or something, you can bring it here very fast. Okay, I like that feature. Okay, so now let's close this. Let's keep looking at our. So I could generate a poem. I made a piece. Make that up. So you can have a PDF creator now. Another plugin. Bomb. Another Gerber's. Let's look at the Gerber viewer. So to go over, I'm jumping around, but just checking out, see, make sure you a little bit longer. They're not responding, but it hasn't crashed yet. As long as it doesn't crash, then live. But let's see what happens. So here, let's see, what did they change here? The measurement. Let's load it up. Open. Open the file. See this one. What's going on here? So okay, so I made that one before. So that means my curves is not up to date. Let's see, I made a square. So let's do flat. They're recommending some things there. Okay, flat, close. And now let's see our curves. The file, open it up. See what happened now. Okay, so now it's updated. Over here I have to look at the masking from copper. Take that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Let's take a real quick exploration here. We're exploring. And that looks about right. Take a look at our layers here. All right. Let's see what else. Let's use the image converter, see what. Let's see here. Oh, bitmap. Let me pick this one. Right. Let's see. Forgot the file. Let's see. Okay, what else here? So output symbol, the footprint. No, I gotta admit, I have to look more into the libraries here to see how they're managing these things now. Those are defaults. I don't see my library here. Let's add it. Got something here in the sysmac. KiCad E. Let's see. The library table row nickname are empty. Cancel. Remove that one. Let's do the other one. I have a lot of parts here. See what happens. Cell. Let's see. Did it work? Didn't work? I don't know. Let's find out. This Mac. Oh no, I have my part there. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. I see something else here. Let's go back to our pretty sure I got things here. Let's select that one. Okay. And let's use it. Now connect. I make this one. I just made it. This one I have from before. There's a mullet connector I made here. Put that one. I still have my footprint libraries. That's good. Symbols, I can deal with it. Now let's go back to our schematic. Okay, let's keep looking here. What else they have? So remove unused paths, clean up, repair board. I'm not sure what this is. But maybe that tries with a problem. Route a single track. Length. Okay, what else they have here? They have the rectangle, so you don't have to do line by line. You just drop a rectangle. That's pretty good. Let's add a via. Let's see. Via sizes. I make this one. Let's see. Let's drop a via here. Let's put their default. That's the default via. It's mine here. properties. Okay, that looks, it doesn't change the, doesn't have an option for changing the shape. Yeah. I guess we have to do a, okay, save that out. Let's go to our schematic. Let's see here. There's, we have some tools that display of hidden pins. Oh, that could be handy. Okay, what's that? There's a crosshair, the whole window. 10 inches. Okay, that's for the screen. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, let's look at our libraries. Oh, let's add one. No, I already. Okay, this is something I was trying yesterday. And I created this library. Well, I had the library, but what I saw, they have, like, you see here the extension KiCad. They have KiCad that underscore symbol. And if we can use it. This one didn't work. You know what I did? Let's go and see our system. So I had a connectors, right? This to KiCad, and then I make this Molex. This used to say live. I put back to what it was. Now my library here, maybe it has something. Okay, let's go to symbol libraries, global libraries. Let's add one and browse. And let's go back to C, Sysmac, KiCad. Let me add that one, see what happens. Legacy. Oh, look, it puts legacy. Okay, so now let me take this one out and Molex connectors. Let me take that one out. I guess I didn't have to do anything. Let's just put a no, a says legacy. Now let's go back and use it. Okay, that's taking a little bit longer, but it's okay. And now let's see if my ports are there. Sysmac. Yes. My ports are here. Yes, all my symbols are there. Okay, so I guess that's how you do it. Conversion. Let me add one more EE connector. Connectors. Open. Legacy. Okay. Remove invalid cells. That's fine. So what do you gotta do? To leave empty spaces. It seems like I had an empty space there. This one I made yesterday. Just thinking they didn't work, but apparently now it's legacy. Okay, so that's fine. We're going to be able to bring the old and the new. Okay, so now click OK. Let's see our ports there. We got some custom parts. Let's see here. EE now connector. Ah, a logo there. Okay, so let's put that one in. That should be linked. And now let's do update. Update. That's fine. Date. Post. Let's do a flip back like that. Or it's too small. Let's make it like that. Let's make the edges. Draw the square. Make it a little bit big here. Right there. There. Look at that. Alright, save it. How that looks. Okay, preserve my 3D. That's good. That's for my logo. Okay. So that's KiCad 6. So we gotta keep testing this thing. I haven't had any crash yet. Oh, my libraries are intact. The other thing I gotta test is when I download a port and if it's gonna update automatically. That's something I have to test offline, but from what I have right now it's working. So I don't think it will be a problem, but I should see. And I'll communicate to you guys to see what else. So there's plenty of options here to explore. We will explore a little bit of time for now. And we will look at the fill zones. They have like a bucket now. So let's see. Okay, glow deletion. Interactive delete tool. What's that? Delete. Oh, okay. Control Z. They got something to delete on the fly. That's good. So track width, size. Okay, so this is the minimum. I guess you can select a net. So it looks like they concentrate more in electrical rules from what I'm seeing so far. They got the scripting on here. Let's see what happens. Where's ERC here? Tools. Inspect. Download checker. Let's run and see. Show design rule. Oh, okay. That's something. This one's pretty handy. I'll that, but it's checking. That's pretty good. So you can do some custom warnings. We have warnings here. Okay, that's good. Where is our warnings? Violation age 15 minutes. Actual 0. So pro options, and let's see. Finish text graphics. We are at edge cuts. On this to be 15. And light thickness for silk. I wanted this to be 7. Let's leave this alone for now. I gotta do my own here. Okay. I don't think that's gonna change in our color. Action plugin. See what are colors. Editing. Read colors. Plugins. Okay, let's do our edge cuts again. Pick this one. Here. Sticker. See what happens. B. And now do our rules. Design rules. 2 arrows. Okay. Oh. Save it and two errors. Error here. Let me see. Fix errors. I still have error here. Let's go dimensions. Okay, so we still have problem here. I don't see a problem, but let me take this. Oh, you know what? Maybe that will take it away because those dimensions from before I change it. So let's see, design rules checker, run again. Okay. So I don't know if you remember, I had a small square. So put this dimension here, here, and from here. That's pretty good. It even for I check the rules. The back. So I had those markers within the inside, so it was seen as an error, which is good. So something was wrong, which is pretty good. All right, so I guess so we gotta continue an exploration of the KiCad 6, and so we have a long way to go. This is just the beginning, and I'll make more tutorials, and I explore some other features and see what it does,